guys, so today I've got another Medusa makeup box to show you. This one is December's box as far as I'm aware, and it is a unicorn theme, which is pretty cute. Now I really loved the last one of these that I got, and I think this one I actually prefer. So for anyone that's interested, to get this in America it is $15.95. To Canada it's $22.95, and internationally it's $26.95. So that is in dollars, which makes it roughly about £20, which I think is pretty good with shipping, to be fair. So I'm going to show you what is inside. Now when you open it up, it looks like this inside. It has like a little sheet on the top that tells you what's inside it. So yeah, this is the December box. It's cruelty free and vegan as well, for anyone that is wondering, and there's a $54 value, which is pretty good if you ask me. Now there's 6 things in this box, which is fun, and I'm actually wearing a few of them today, so I'll start with the things that I'm wearing. The first one is this, which is an eyeshadow. It's called Glam Rock eyeshadow, and it's in the colour Heroes. Now I am wearing this on my eyes today. I know my camera isn't really great, but it looks like this out of the box. It's got cute packaging, and this is what the colour itself looks like. I'll do a little swatch on my hand because you'll be able to see it a lot better than on my eyes, but this is super pigmented. I literally hardly put any on my eyes, to be honest. It's like a very dark foresty green with a lighter green shimmer in it. I'll put 2 swipes on my hand just so it kind of builds up and shows you a little better. But this is what the shadow looks like as a swatch. Like I said, it's super pigmented. Even when you're using it with a brush, it goes on really well, so that is cool. Then the next thing I'm wearing is this. This is definitely my favourite thing in the box, and this is Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss, and it's in the colour Love Machine. Now this is kind of just a pretty plain lip gloss. In the tube it looks a lot more exciting, and it is called Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss. I kind of wish it was a little more coloured like this nude colour with a pink sparkle would have been amazing, but on the lips it kind of is just a normal sort of lip gloss. It smells absolutely amazing though, like cupcakes, and it's just really soft and smooth. Like quite a buttery texture. It's definitely not sticky at all. I'll do a swatch of this on my hand. It definitely shows up on a swatch a lot prettier on your lips because they have kind of a natural pink colour. I think it sort of overrides this a little bit. So this is what it looks like as a swatch, but I think the taste and the scent and everything and just how it feels makes this, like, I would definitely purchase this again. I really like this. So that is number 2. Next we have a little brush in here. So just says Medusa's makeup up there. The bristles are like a bright yellow colour, and then the handle is a multicoloured spiral. I guess with it being a unicorn theme box, this is maybe like a unicorn horn sort of style. It is quite like a stiff brush. I would definitely say maybe a shadow brush for like packing on the shadow. It's not a blending brush or anything like that, but they always come in handy, so this is a cute little brush. Next we have something that's not makeup. It's these little baubles. I've got these before in other boxes and stuff, but these are very cute. It says "You are magical" up here with a little unicorn down here, and there's a black one and a pink one. Now, like I said, I've had these before in like pink parcel and stuff, but they never really feel like this. I feel like these are a little better quality. The stretch on these is better, and they're a little bit thicker as well. Plus cuter. You could just literally wear this like around your wrist, and they are very cute. So there's those 2. And then we've got 2 things left. The first thing, I actually got one of these for Christmas that I purchased, but this is a bigger one. So this is the setting spray. It has a unicorn on it, and it says magical makeup setting spray, cruelty free and vegan beauty. It's 2 fluid ounces. I'm not sure how much that is in milliliters. We don't really measure like that in the UK, but it's quite you know, it's not a small bottle. It has a tiny bit of a scent, but I couldn't really tell you what of. I'm not really sure. It is quite fresh though. The thing that I like about this one, the one that I bought, the white one, it doesn't spray very well. It kind of comes out a little clumpy, but this one, the mist on it is very, very fine, which is nice. I'm gonna just spray some in the air, see if you can see it. I feel like you couldn't see that at all, but it's just a very fine mist anyway, is what I'm trying to say. I haven't used this on my face yet, so I can't tell you if it kind of helps makeup stay on any longer or anything, but I do like that that was in there. And then the last thing we have is this, which is just a little like lip balm. It's called Unicorn Farts Vegan Lip Sparkle. Now, because I have long nails, I can never like put my finger into these, so I have already stabbed this to see what it looks like. But it's like a bright pink with a golden green glitter in there, and I'll do a little swatch on my hand. It does have a scent, I'd say maybe possibly strawberry, and it's definitely a bit of a different colour than the other one we've got. Like I said, the other one is a lip gloss and this is a lip balm, and this is the colour of that one down there. So that's the lip gloss, like the more nude colour, and this is the lip balm, the more pinky colour. And that one definitely smells more of a fruity scent, and that's more of like a cakey, cookie kind of scent. They both feel pretty similar, to be fair. There's not a massive difference between them, like texture wise, but I really like the lip gloss, so I'm not mad about this one. But yeah, that was Medusa Makeup's beauty box for this month anyway. So I'll just go through this list and do a little recap. We got the eyeshadow, which is the first thing. Apparently these are supposed to be $9. We got the setting spray, which is supposed to be nearly $12. We got the lip balm, which is supposed to be $10. So that's those three. We got the lip gloss, which is supposed to be nearly $12. And then the other two items aren't on this card, which is the brush and the little baubles, but apparently those extras are $12 as well. So this is everything from Medusa Makeup's beauty box this month. Like I said, to the UK with postage it comes to about £20 roughly, which I think is a pretty good deal, to be fair. And to America it's only $15, which is insanely cheap. If I was in America I would 100% get this every month, because that's like, with shipping and everything, literally so cheap. It's like a few dollars an item, which is amazing. So I will leave the link for these down below anyway, in case you want to go check them out. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.